Hello Team Healthy, welcome back to my channel. Have you been craving some really healthy, yummy, fluffy breakfast pancakes? Well, I bring you good news and of course a very great and healthy recipe that you can make quick and easy in the morning. Just toss all the ingredients in the blender and enjoy this yummy and savory breakfast. First of all, for naturally occurring sugars and for the sake of potassium, we are going to use 2 medium-sized bananas. Toss that in your blender. If you plan to make this in larger portions for more people in your house, feel free to use a bigger size blender pitcher. Next, we're going to use almond flour because almond flour is rich in vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. We're also going to use some baking powder and some vanilla syrup, and also we're going to use some eggs. Okay, we're going to use some medium-sized eggs. I'm going to put the exact measurements for everything in the description box, and also some almond milk and some cinnamon powder. So close that tightly, and then next we're going to put that in our blender and we're going to blend on high speed till very smooth and fluffy, just to enable we have a soft and smooth pancakes. Okay, so make sure you blend, and I'm going to show you the consistency. Now you're just gonna lightly coat your pan. This is the consistency of the batter that we want. Okay, so make sure it is creamy and looks like this, and scoop that in the size that you need. And I'm going to be doing this size because it's easier for my kids and I just like smaller portions. Okay, and then you're just gonna put that in your pan till all the batter is gone. Okay, make sure that you do this on medium heat because you don't want your pancakes to be burnt. You want it to have a very fine surface and a brownish looking surface. Okay, so do this the same for all the batches that you have until all the batter is exhausted. Like I said, make sure that you do this under medium heat. If you make pancakes on high heat, it's going to get burnt and it's not going to be fully cooked through. So do this in batches and flip over once the first side is ready and it's can it has come off the pan easily for you to flip. If not, you're going to alter the surface of the pancakes, which no longer makes it beautiful or aesthetic, as you would have pancakes. Okay, and also cooking it on medium heat also help you achieve that fluffy and soft texture that is really cooked through. You have no need to add extra oil or coat your pan again. You only do it once. That's why you also need to do this on medium heat. Okay, so this is a very healthy option for us in the morning, especially when you're craving that pancakes, for breakfast that you usually would get in the diner. But this is something that you can make at home and it's super healthy. It has all the healthy ingredients. Almond flour, which is known as a very healthy substitute. It's gluten free, is rich in vitamins. It helps with insulin resistance and helps to lower the bad cholesterol. This is really yummy and healthy. Serve this of course with some antioxidants which are found in strawberries and blueberries, and of course if you want to add bananas or any other fruit of your choice, you can. I'm gonna be throwing in some honey as my toppings because I like honey and my kids love honey, and for that extra sweetness, and also top it with some strawberries and more bananas. If this video has blessed you in any way, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. If you're a team healthy, if you're striving to eat better and have a healthier nutrition, I highly recommend this video and my other videos. This is something that you can make for yourself, your family, kids. Everyone is gonna love it. It is healthy, it is guilt-free, and it's gonna nourish your body. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See how beautiful it looks. See how yummy the crust and the layers looks, guys. I'm so happy to share this with you. Thank you and God bless you.